Okay guys, now we'll start this. හරි. දරුවෝ අපි start කරමු අපේ 16th unit එක. දැන් අපේ 16th unit එක තියෙන්නේ chemistry unit එකක්. 16th unit changes in matter. Changes in matter. Okay, 16th unit changes in matter. Right. Okay. But now, first of all, we'll discuss some special points about matter. අපි පොඩි කාලේ ඉඳලම ඉගෙන ගන්න points ටිකක්. Very special points. Now, matter is anything, we consider matter as anything which occupying space and having a mass. Which occupying space and having a mass. Okay. So, normally we can divide matter into three groups based on the molecular arrangement. Based on the molecular arrangement, we can divide matter into three groups, namely solids, liquids and gases. Namely solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay. So now the difference between solid, liquid and gas is that the molecular arrangement. පුතේ මේ වල තියෙන molecular arrangement එක නිසා තමයි solids, liquids, gases කියලා අපි matter එක divide කරන්නේ. Divide into three groups based on solids, liquid and gases. So in gaseous matter, you guys can observe limited amount of molecules and in a certain volume, limited amount of molecules and lot of intermolecular spaces and lot of intermolecular spaces among this. And then the liquids, the molecular arrangement is like some empty spaces are there, but somewhat closely packed when compared with the gases. But the gases වලට වඩා closely packed වෙලා තියෙනවා liquids, but still some empty molecular or empty atomic spaces are there. And moving forward, we have solids. The speciality between the solids and the other components, I mean the liquids and the gases, the packing nature, closely packed with very small amount of empty spaces or the intermolecular spaces, very small amount. හරිම පොඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවා. Very small amount. Okay? So, this is about the solid, liquid and gaseous molecular arrangement. Molecular arrangement. So, but now, the properties of these solids, liquid and gases mainly depends on these arrangement. Mainly depends on this arrangement. මෙන්න මේ arrangement එකත් එක්ක තමයි මේ දේවල් වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. මේ properties වෙනස් වෙන්නේ දරුවෝ මෙන්න මේ molecular arrangements එක්ක. Okay? Right. Right. Next, back to topic. Changes in matter. Matter එකක වෙන changes මොනවාද? What kind of changes you guys can observe? How we can make changes on matter? Yes, අපි ඊළඟට කතා කරන්න ඕනේ. කොහොමද matter එකක changes වෙන්නේ දරුවෝ? Right? matter එකක changes වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? මොන විදිහටද වෙන්නේ කියන දේ අපි කතා කරනවා. Okay? Right. But based on the nature of these changes, we can observe two groups of changes. Matter can undergo like two types of changes. Number one, chemical changes. Number two, physical changes. Matter, both liquid, solids and gases, collectively what we call matter, undergo chemical changes and the physical changes. Right. So what is the difference between physical changes and the chemical changes? With the chemical changes වලයි physical changes වලයි තියෙන වෙනස්කම මොකක්ද? Yes. The physical change means change of state of matter. Physical change එකක් කියන්නේ change of state of matter. පදාර්ථයේ ස්වභාවය වෙනස් වීම. Change of state of matter. What we call physical change. ස්වභාවය වෙනස් වෙනවා. State එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. Physical change එක. Maybe solid to liquid. Maybe liquid to gas. Gas to liquid. Liquid to solids. Large particle to smaller particle. Large piece of paper, you can tear it into very small piece of papers. Okay? Got it? From a large reservoir, you guys can have 1 milliliter of water. You can have 1 milliliter of water without changing its chemical composition. Without changing its chemical composition. Chemical composition එක වෙනස් කරන්නේ නැතුව අපිට ඕනිම තැනකින් ඒකේ part එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. example එකක් ඔයාලා ගාව තියෙනවා. just imagine soft drink bottle එකක්. දැන් soft drink bottle එකෙන් ඔයාගේ glass එකකට ටිකක් දාගත්තා කියලා අර ඒ glass එකේ තියෙන component එකේ කියන්නේ glass එකේ තියෙන part එකේ bottle එකේ තියෙන part එකේ වෙනසක් වෙනවද other than the volume? No. Color same odor, same nutrients or the same components. කිසිම දෙයක් වෙනස් වුණේ නැහැ other than that of the volume. volume එක විතරයි වෙනස් වුණේ. ප්‍රමාණය විතරයි, පරිමාව විතරයි. Right? So පුතේ change of state of matter, what we call as physical changes. Only change of state of matter. Very good example, one other very good common example. Boiling water, melting ice, freezing water, right? තේරුණාද? හරිම ලේසි දරුවෝ. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ මෙන්න මේ solid liquid gases අතර මොනවා හරි මෙයාගෙන් මෙයාට කන්වර්ට් වෙනවා, මෙයාගෙන් මෙයා වෙනවා, මෙයාගෙන් මෙයා වෙනවා, මෙයාගෙන් මෙයා වෙනවා. ඔය වගේ දේවල් වෙනකොට අපි කියන්නේ physical change එකක් කියලා. Got it? හරිම ලේසි. Then about chemical changes. Physical changes අර වගේ ලේසි නම් chemical changes නම් පොඩක් අමාරු ඇති. චුට්ටක් බලන්න අමාරුද කියලා. පුතේ chemical change එකක් කියන්නේ නා. Chemical change basically results due to reaction in between matter. Two different types of matter. Due to the reaction in between two different types of matter. We call chemical changes. What we call the chemical changes. Results due to the reaction in between two different or two or more different types of matters. Okay. So the chemical change, Pute, the composition of reactants should change. In a chemical reaction, the composition of reactants should change. Why? What is the reason? Now look, very good example. Real example. Neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide it's a base, reacts with HCl. HCl aqueous. Aqueous means in a water media. Sodium hydroxide is kind of a base, while hydrochloric HCl is kind of acid. Now these two will react and results with a make a reaction, like a neutralization reaction, kind of neutralization reaction. So you guys can observe now. Now what happened here? මොකක්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? පුතේ ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මෙයාගේ තිබුණ reactants වෙනස් වෙලා products form වෙලා තියෙනවා. Right? Products. In the right hand side, reactants in the left hand right. මේ තියෙන reactants. These are the products. These are the products. And also, chemical properties of these components also change. Now, sodium hydroxide can a very good base එකක්. HCl can a very good acid එකක්. But here, both are neutral. Both are neutral. Right. Okay. Right. Hari. But the liagam topic ke changes in matter. Write this topic, changes in matter. Ekman karana daru, changes in matter. With the wheel, right? Matter is capable of undergoing changes undergoing changes undergoing changes undergoing changes, comma, which are classified as either physical or chemical. Okay, right, which are classified as either physical or chemical, full stop, then write first subtopic. නෑ ළමයි subtopic එකට කලින් ලියාගන්න මෙහෙම types of matter කියලා ලියාගන්න types of matter. Types of matter. Then write there are three states of matter. States of matter, namely solids, liquid and gases. Full stop. They have different properties. අපි කතා කරා they have different properties, comma, which can be explained by considering the molecular arrangement. Right, Puthi, solids, liquids and gas කියන ඒ diagrams තුන draw කරගන්න. Hurry up. Hari Pendro. Right, with the we'll start. Hari, daru api patangamu. Wala dan make a draw karane. Ned, hari. Okay, then write. Yati mehme liyagan puti. Mehme liyagamu. The above grouping is based on. The above grouping is based on. The above grouping is based on. Is based on the molecular arrangement. 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 Full stop. Even the same component even the same component in different physical states, in different physical states, in different physical states, in different physical states, shows different characteristics, shows different characteristics. Different characteristics. Right. Right, Lamai. Then write this topic, subtopic, chemical changes. They are going to put this subtopic chemical changes. Right, put the chemical changes ගැන කතා කරනකොට අපි discuss කරා කොහොමද මේ chemical change එකක් කියන දේ වෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay? Right. Put the we will write අපි ලියාගමු මෙහෙම. We'll write this. Chemical changes occur when a substance combines with another to form a new substance, another to form a new substance. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. Right. Pute. Now, some changes may result. With chemical reactions. With the chemical reactions. One of the changes in the formation of new substances. Formation of new substances. Alut substance එකක් හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. Formation of new substances. අලුත් substance එකක් හැදෙන්න පුළුවන් thanks to a chemical reaction. Thanks to chemical reaction. Thanks to chemical reaction. Right? Not only that, turning one substance into two or more substance. මම example එකක් දෙන්නම්. මේ බලන්න. Number 1. A plus B will result AB formation of new products, reactants. Number 2, A plus BC will result A plus B plus C. Number 3, recognition of initial substance to form new substance. Reorganization of initial substance to form a new substance. Right? මෙන්න මෙහෙම එකක්. AB plus CD will result AC plus BD. AC plus BD. තේරුණාද? ඉතින් මේ තියෙන්නේ three different results of chemical reactions. But they will write අපි මෙහෙම ලියාගමු. In a chemical reaction, in a chemical reaction, reactants turn into products. Reactants turns into products. In a chemical reaction, reactants turns into products. Reactants turns into products. Maybe they're liagatat kamak na. Reactants into products. Example. Lamai. Ho. Example liyan kali mehme liyagan. These substances taking part in a chemical change. The substances taking part in chemical change. The substances taking part in a chemical change are called reactants. Sorry. Are called reactants. What we call reactants. Are called reactants. And the new substances produced by a chemical change new substances produced by a chemical change produced by a chemical change are called products. Called products. Full stop. With may reaction එක ලියා ගන්න ඉක්මනට. You better copy this reaction. Make a reaction එක ලියා ගන්න. මේක යටින් දා ගන්න reaction type. ඕනේ. එච්චර ඕනේ නේ. හරි. මේක ලියා ගන්න. These are the products of this reaction. Hurry up. Right? Hurry up. Okay. So easy, huh? Lazy reaction එකක්. Right, next. Star point එකක් දාන්න. One of the following can happen during a chemical reaction. One of the following can happen during a chemical change. During a chemical change. Number one, formation of new substances. පුතේ තාම පොඩි වෙලාවක් යනවා. ඉවර කළාම එමුවා. විනාඩි 5ක් විතරයි. Formation of new substances by combination of two or more substances. You better write the first one. May A plus B will result AB. Hurry up. Okay. Second one. Turning one substances into two or more substances. Turning one substance into two or more substances. හරි නේද ළමයි? ඔයාලට ඇහුණාද මම කියපු එක? පුතේ මේකේ A B C කියලා තියෙනවනේ. මේ කියන එක සබ්ස්ටන්ස් එකක් ඒක තුනකට කැඩෙනවා. මේක ලියාගන්න දෙවෙනි පොයින්ට් එක. දෙවෙනි පොයින්ට් එකේ එක්සැම්පල් එක. Then the third one. Then the third one. තුන්වෙනි එක. Third one. Reorganization. Reorganization. Reorganization of initial substances. Reorganization of initial substances. Reorganization of initial substances to form new substances. To form new substances. Right. Okay. A B කියලා reactant එකක් තියෙනවා. එයා react වෙනවා C D කියලා reactant එකක්. AB reacts with Cp and produce AC plus BB. A react වෙනවා C එක්ක B react වෙනවා D එක්ක. AC plus BB. හරියට copy. ලියගන්න. Okay guys, right. Now that's it. ඉතින් මෙහෙමයි. අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ කතා කරමු about different types of chemical reactions. මොනවද chemical reactions වර්ග තියෙන්නේ කියලා කතා කරමු. And also we'll discuss about the physical changes. අපි physical changes ගැන ලොකුවට කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. Physical changes හරිම ලේසි. Physical changes ගැන අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ කතා කරමු. Right? Okay, so මාලා කරගෙන යනවා දරුවෝ අර last unit එකේ exercise එක ඒකේ ඉතුරු වැඩ ටික පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒකම first term to up to date. අද වෙන පාඩම් දක්වා හොඳට පාඩම් කරගන්න. මොකද අපි ඉස්සරහට මේ කාලෙසස් කීපයක් ඉවර කරලා exams කරන්න ඕනේ. Right? Okay guys, then we'll wind up, right? Okay. Have a nice week. Goodbye.